Hi, hello friends. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about one of the activity in physics.
Okay friends, now we will find the relative density of the wood. For this, the material required are 50 ml beaker, next wooden block, overflow vessel, some amount of water, next weighing machine. Now we will do the procedure. First, weigh the 50 ml measuring cylinder. Now note the reading. Now take it off. Weigh the wooden block. Here you can see that 62.83. First of all, we should write the name of the object. The name of the object is wooden block. Now we should write the reading. Here the reading is 62.82. Pour water in the overflow vessel until it starts dripping from its beak. Now we can see that the water is dripping. When water stops dripping from the beak, wait until it starts dripping from its beak. Now after completion of the dripping of water, place the 50 ml of measuring cylinder under the overflow vessel. Now we should take the wooden block. We should slip the wooden block gently into the overflow vessel, ensuring that the water does not splash out. Once the wooden block is in the overflow vessel, water flow out of the beak and collect in the 50 ml of cylinder. Wait till the flow of water from the beak stops. Weigh the cylinder with the water that overflow and record the weight.
Here you can see that the water weight is 111.10. Here you can see that the weight of the displaced water and cylinder. Then in this the weight is 111.10.
Friends, now we will find the weight of the water displaced by the object. For this, weight of the displaced water plus cylinder. For this, the value of the weight of displaced water plus cylinder is 111.10. Now we should write the grams. Next, we should find the weight of the displaced water. For that, weight of the displaced water plus here the cylinder, weight of the empty cylinder. What is the weight of the empty cylinder value? Yes, 38.01 grams. We should note the value. Equals to 111.10 grams. Next, now we should find the weight of the displaced water. For that, weight of the displaced water equals to here 111.10 grams. Here we should here the 38.01 grams when it come to this side, then plus when it come this side it will become minus, then minus 38.01 grams. By subtracting these two, we will get 73.09 grams. So the weight of the displaced water is now the weight of the displaced water is 73.09 grams. We should note the reading here. Now relative density of the object. Now we will find the relative density of the wooden block. Relative density of wooden block. For this, the formula is weight of the wood by weight of the equal to the volume of the wooden block. So from the relative density of the wooden block equals to weight of the wood by weight of the equal to the volume of the wooden block. So we already know that the weight of the wood is 62.82. 62.82 grams by weight of the equal to the volume of the wooden block. Here we already know that weight of the displaced water is 63.09 grams. So we should write the reading here for the weight of the equal to the volume of the wooden block, 73.09 grams. After cancellation, we will get the relative density of the wood. Relative density of the wooden block equals to, after calculating, we will get 0.85. Here gram get cancelled, so 0.85, no units. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.